Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to offload WhatsApp on your iPhone. So let's get started. On Android devices, there's an option called Force Stop for apps. On iOS, a similar feature is Offload App. While both functionalities deal with managing apps, they work differently and serve slightly different purposes. Force Stop, Android. This feature immediately stops an app from running, including any background processes. It is useful for troubleshooting or conserving battery and resources by stopping apps that are behaving erratically or consuming too much power. Offload App, iOS. This feature removes the app from your device while retaining its data. When you reinstall the app, your data is restored, allowing you to free up storage space without losing your app's information. Although Offload App and Force Stop serve different primary functions, Offload App can be considered more advantageous for managing storage and keeping data intact, while Force Stop is more about controlling app behavior and performance. So this is what Offload App on iPhone means. Now I will show you how to turn on Offload App. Follow these steps. Open Settings. Then scroll down and select General. Now select iPhone Storage. Then select WhatsApp and select Offload App. That's it. Now when you click the app, it will reinstall. To pause the download, keep on pressing the app and select Pause Download. To cancel the download again, press the app and select Cancel Download. So this is how Offload App works. I hope you loved this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel to watch more videos like this. Peace out.